Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. So I've watched a lot of videos like these from other YouTubers, and one thing that always used to annoy me is the fact that they would ramble on for like 8 minutes about their life story and only then finally reveal how much they have earned. Not on this side, son. So now that we've got that out of the way and I basically shared how much I made within the first 5 seconds, let's have a small talk about why you decided to click on this video today. Because you see, correct me if I'm wrong by the way, but I honestly think there are 2 types of people that clicked on this video. The first group is simply just curious and only wants to know how much I made. Feel free to leave if that is you. The second group, however, are the aspirational YouTubers. They just need that one final reason to stop procrastinating and to finally get started. They know there's money to be made and they know that YouTube has the potential to change their lives. Yet they haven't uploaded a single video. Or in some other cases, they might have given it a try and uploaded a few videos, but quit way too early. So why am I saying this? Well, because I've been in that second group for years. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to call you out. If anything, this is the advice that I would give to my younger self who just had to get started. That's all. Don't overthink your niche, don't overthink your camera quality, and most importantly, don't overthink success or failure. Just the simple action of getting started with your first video already puts you in the top 1%. The other 99% will remain stuck in the procrastination phase, possibly forever. And since I uploaded my first video roughly 1 year ago, I guess it only makes sense to do an annual review. And let me tell you, getting that first video finally out there was the best decision I've ever made. First of all, it confirmed that what I've always thought in the back of my mind. My obsession with YouTube goes both ways. Not only consumption, but production as well. Even though it takes a lot more effort to script, record, edit and upload a video compared to just watching one or multiple. See, the thing with creating a video yourself is that as soon as you've put a video out there that required a ton of effort to get done, you'll appreciate every other creator on here as well. At least for me, it literally opened my eyes as to how much time and effort goes into one video. Before starting myself, I would of course enjoy content on here, but the deeper appreciation just wasn't there yet. And I honestly think you'll only get that deeper appreciation for the content on here after you've scripted, recorded and edited your own video. Besides the deeper appreciation, you have to understand that videos on this platform are the real digital real estate. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, and no, I will not compare them to NFTs. Don't worry, but still, this is the only platform that will actively push out your content way into the future while earning money for you. A video you've made this year could still be earning money in 2030. And yeah, we both know this is common knowledge, but what will you do with that knowledge? You can either start creating a library of evergreen content today or watch someone else do it. Don't make the same mistake as I did. Speaking of mistakes, so another mistake I made is trying to build an audience elsewhere. I think YouTube is the only platform that supports true audience building in comparison to other socials. Not that it's impossible, but it's so much harder on TikTok or Instagram. And it makes sense. Let's say you spend 10 minutes on TikTok's For You page, you'll certainly see at least 10 different videos, very likely by 10 different creators as well. That's 10 people you have to remember and connect with in order to become part of their active audience. On YouTube, the average length of a video is like 12 minutes. That is at least 11 more minutes of getting to know a creator, finding your similarities or differences, and finding a connection. In other words, if you're still considering short form content, I'd recommend to shift that focus and attention to long form because the payoff will very likely be much better in the long term. At least that's what I'm going to do, no pressure. Anyway, this video was supposed to be about my YouTube earnings, but I guess I drifted off a little. To be fair, I haven't even been paid out yet. I have to update my bank details in AdSense, but I don't know. I don't feel like doing it. I feel like as soon as I get the first payment from AdSense, I'll be more inclined to upload videos for the sake of extra income instead of as a passion project. Obviously, I do want to scale up my video output, but I'll figure that out after my next few videos, I guess. And yeah, I know this one is a bit different from my other scripted and properly edited videos, but who cares if this video helps out at least one person. That said, more and better uploads coming soon. Thank you for watching.
Uncle Thanos here. So what are you waiting for? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. It takes one video to gain traction and you can start earning. Anyway, subscribe or I will dust you. Bye.